Today is February 23rd. Got up to about 65, 68 degrees today, something like that. And we got all the verticals in the greenhouse today. Little 2x2s. Going to support the panels. I still have to put all the horizontals in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. 4 per side here. Be 2 rows. Go inside. Oh, I see it's got tarp over it right now. It's going to have a double door. It's 4 feet wide here. It'll be 2 feet each section, and then that's a big oak tree cut down. There's a water tank that's going inside here. It's not took it out because I needed room to put the rest of the verticals in. So it's getting there.